Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own AI on Instagram. So what you need to do is to simply click on the Instagram application, go to your account and just simply from the charts, click on this button at the top right corner and then simply click on create. And after doing that, click on get started and just simply click on get custom fan. And in the 1,000 word range, just simply describe your AI, a fun 15-year-old, and just simply click on next. Enter. They will make the name, the tagline, everything for you, and then simply you can choose for only me, for your followers, for everyone, or your for close friends. And then after doing that, simply click on chat with AI, and this is how you can easily create your AI on Instagram. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. But the last thing that I want to teach you or to tell you that to have this function, you will firstly go to your app store and then simply see if the app Instagram has been updated to the latest version, because this feature is also only available in the latest version. So yeah, thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.